Hello, good day, and welcome to Pamati Tutorial. Makinig, manood, at matuto. Again, this is a third week of the quarter 2 in Mathematics grade 7. We will continue the introduction of the algebra. Okay? If you want to watch, kung gusto nyo panoorin yung first video natin, yung mga terms na ginagamit sa algebra, okay, the link is on the description below. Okay, this time we will discuss polynomials. Okay, huwag na natin patagalin pa, polynomials. Now, let's have here activity first. Complete the table. Okay, we have here the term standard form, number of terms, degree, leading term, leading coefficient, types of polynomials according to degree, and types of polynomial according to the number of terms. Bago natin sasagutin yan, tatalakayin natin kung ano yung mga polynomials. Then after that, masasagutan na natin ano ito. Okay, ano ang dapat isasagot sa bawat section o bawat cell ng table natin. Okay, let's have here the first. Okay, the objectives for this video is illustrate and differentiate related terms in algebra, which is the algebraic expression, terms, and polynomials. Number of terms, degree of term, and degree of polynomial. And then, the second one is the show appreciation on the importance of the related terms in the algebra. Okay, again, we need to remember what is a polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression where each term is a constant, a variable, or a product of a constant and a variable. Each variable should only have an exponent that is non-negative integers. Okay, tandaan natin that the condition that each or the exponent of each of the variable is non-negative integers. Sa madaling salita, dapat ang exponent is positive. Okay? Yun ang dapat. Kapag negative ang exponent, hindi natin siya pwedeng tawagin polynomial. Pero kapag positive, then it is a polynomial. Okay? Then these are the conditions. Okay, ito pa yung mga conditions ng algebraic expression na hindi polynomial or not a polynomial. If the exponent of the variable is a negative integer. Okay, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, dapat ang exponent is positive. Okay, start tayo with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. As long as it is positive. Kapag negative, hindi siya pwedeng sa polynomial. The second one, if the exponent of the variable is a fraction or decimal. Again, positive integer. Kapag sinabi natin positive integer, then integer siya, hindi talaga pwede ang fraction or decimal. The third one, the variable is inside the radical sign. Okay, hindi siya pwede sa radical sign. Kapag ang variable ay nasa loob ng radical sign, example, we have here the square root of x. Okay. Hindi na yan siya pwede kasi ang square root of x is equivalent to the x raised to the power of 1/2. Okay. Ganyan siya. Ang ibig sabihin yan, ang exponent is fraction. Or pwede rin decimal which is 0.5. Okay? Hindi pwede na nasa loob ng radical sign ang variable. Okay, that is the third condition. Then the fourth one, the variable is in the denominator. Okay, hindi rin siya pwede. Tulad nito, example, 1 over x. Okay, bakit? Kasi it is equal to x raised to negative 1. Okay, ganyan yan. X raised to negative 1. Then, as you can see, dahil dito, the exponent is become negative. Then, hindi rin siya pwede. Yun ang mga conditions na dapat natin tandaan that the exponent of the variable is a negative integer, if the exponent of the variable is a negative integer, then it is not a polynomial. If the exponent of the variable is a fraction or decimal, then it is not a polynomial. If the variable is inside the radical sign, then it is not a polynomial. If the variable is in the denominator, then it is not a polynomial. Now, let's have here. Let's try. We have here the expression 2ab squared plus 3ab minus 9. Okay, it is a polynomial or not? Yes, it is a polynomial. Observe, the exponents of each variable, hindi negative, walang decimal, then it is a polynomial. Second one, 2x raised to the power of negative 2 minus x plus 34. Okay, it is not a polynomial. Bakit? Kasi ang exponent is negative. Bawal yan. Okay, next, y raised to the power of 2.45 minus 23. Okay, observe, our exponent is 2.45, decimal. Hindi siya pwede, therefore it is not a polynomial. Next, 3x cubed plus 6 square root of x minus 25. Okay, observe, the variable is inside the radical sign, then it is not a polynomial. Then, we have here negative 6 z squared plus 2 over z plus 12. Then observe, z, our variable, is on the denominator, then it is not a polynomial. Okay, yun ang mga conditions that if the algebraic expression is a polynomial or not. Okay. Degree. Now, in the algebraic expression or in the polynomial, we need to identify the degree of the polynomial. Okay. Degree is the highest exponent or the highest sum of exponents of the variable in a term. Okay. Is the highest exponent or the highest sum. Pwede siyang isum. Okay. Pwedeng i-add ang mga exponents of the variables in a term. Okay. Remember, a term, ibig sabihin, singular. Isa lang. Okay. In a term. Okay. Example tayo. We have here the algebraic expression which is 4. Okay. Our expression is 4. Then the degree. Now, observe. Meron bang variable? Ang 4? Okay. Since wala siyang variable, then the degree is 0. Kasi ang condition is the degree is the highest exponent or the highest sum of exponent of the variable. Dapat meron siyang variable. Wala man tayong variable, then it is 0. Next, 5x. Meron tayong variable na x, then automatic meron siyang exponent dito na 1, then the highest exponent is 1, then the degree is 1. Okay. Next, 2x cubed. The exponent is 3, then the degree is 3. Okay, the highest exponent of the variable. Okay, next. We have here the algebraic expression, 2x cubed plus 4. Okay, we have here two terms, 2x cubed and 4. On the first term, the highest degree of the exponent of the variable is 3. Then 4, wala siyang variable, it is 0. Okay, again, here the degree is 3. Dito naman, 0. Alin na mas malaki? 3 or 0? Okay, siyempre yung 3, therefore the degree is 3. Okay, next. Okay, dito tayo. On the first term, the degree is 3. On the second term, the degree is 5. Then, alin na mas malaki? 3 or 5? Okay, siyempre, 5. The degree is 5. Okay, bawat term ha? Each term. Okay. Next. Ito naman, the degree is 2. Then dito, the degree is, okay, meron siyang 1. Therefore, alin ang mas malaki? 2. Therefore, the degree is 2. Another example. If we will have here the algebraic expression, what would be the degree? Okay, remember, highest sum of exponent of the variable in a term. A term, ibig sabihin, ito, isang term lang ito. Okay, the negative 3ab squared c cubed. Isang term lang yan. Ang gagawin natin, we need to add the exponents. We have here 1 plus 2 plus 3, then 1 plus 2 plus 3, the answer is 6. Therefore, the degree is 6. Okay, good job. Next, meron tayong dalawang term. Okay, on the first one, we have here 1 and 1. Therefore, 1 plus 1, the degree here is 2. Then, we have here 1, the degree here is 1. Then, alin na mas malaki? Ito siya. Therefore, the degree is 2. Next. Okay, meron tayong tatlong terms. Then, alamin natin the degree. Meron siyang 1 plus 2, the degree is 3. Ito naman, 2 plus 3, the degree is 5. Next, 7x, the degree is 1. Therefore, you have here 1. Then, ang mas malaki is 5. Then, the degree is 5. Okay? Yun ang degree. Kapag maraming variable yung isang term, we need to add those exponents to determine the degree of a term or the degree of polynomial. Okay. The standard form of a polynomial. Siyempre, in writing, especially yung iba, di ba dapat naka-arrange? In a polynomial, it must be also unarranged. Okay? There should be a standard form. Now, the standard form of a polynomials are arranged in descending order. Ano ba yung descending? Descending. Ibig sabihin ng descending, down. Down. Ibig sabihin, from highest to lowest degree. From the term with the highest degree up to the term with the lowest degree. Galing sa pinakamalaking degree hanggang sa pinakamaliit na degree. We need to arrange. Okay. Example. If we will have here the algebraic expression 2x cubed plus 4. Okay. Then, the degree here is 3 and the degree here is 0. Therefore, it is already in the standard form. Okay. Example. 2/3 plus 4. Okay, how about on the second one? The second one, the degree here is 3. Then the degree here is 5. Alin ang mas malaki? Okay, 5. Siyempre, siya yung maunang isulat. Followed by, ito yung pangalawa. Okay? Therefore, the standard form is, okay, since it is positive, therefore positive, x raised to the power of 5, then it is negative, it becomes minus 3x cubed. Okay, the second one. Alin dyan ang mas malaki na degree? Therefore, this term, which is 2y squared, then followed by 2y. Then, you have here 2y squared plus 2y. Another example tayo. We will have here negative 3ab squared c cubed plus 5a squared b squared c cubed. Then, another example. Okay. Now, on this part, alamin natin yung degree. On the first term, the degree is 1 plus 2 plus 3. The degree is 6. Then, 2 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, the degree is 7. Alin ang mas malaki? Si 5a squared b squared c cubed. Then, siya yung unang isusulat natin. Then, followed by the negative 3ab squared c cubed. Therefore, it is minus 3ab squared c cubed. Okay. Yun siya. Next, we have here 2 minus 10xy plus 6x. Okay, on this part, alamin natin yung degree. Degree on this term is 0. The degree on this term is 2. And the degree of this term is 1. Therefore, ang mauna, is negative 10xy, followed by, ang degree is 1, which is 6x. Then, followed ang degree is 0, therefore, you have your 2. Okay. Then, the standard form is negative 10xy plus 6x plus 2. Okay. The third one, identify the degree. 1 plus 2, the degree here is 3. This part, 2 plus 3, the degree here is 5. Next, the degree here is 1. Alin dyan ang nauna? Siyempre, ang nauna is negative 8x squared y cubed. Then, followed by the second, okay, positive 5xy squared, therefore plus 5xy squared. Then, the last one is plus 7x. And this would be the standard form. Okay, ganun lang ang pagsulat ng standard form. It must be arranged in descending order from highest degree to the lowest degree of a term. Okay? Next, we have here the leading term. Okay. The first term of a polynomial in the standard form. Kapag naka-standard form na ang ating polynomial, yung pinakauna na term, yun ang leading term natin. Example, you have here, then the standard form is 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 5x minus 6, that would be the standard form. Kasi nga, in-arrange natin siya based sa kanilang degree each term. Then, ang nauna, syempre, ito yung nangunguna na term sa standard form, then that would be our leading term. The same, on this part, let's identify, change to standard form. The standard form of this is 4x cubed plus 3x minus 7. Then, ang nauuna na term, ito siya. Then, the leading term is 4x cubed. Okay. Next. Okay, you can have that one. Then, arrange to standard form. The standard form is negative 8x squared y cubed plus 5x y squared minus 8y squared plus 7x plus 7. Then, ang nangunguna na term, the first term, is negative 8x squared y cubed. Then, the leading term is negative 8x squared y cubed. Okay. Yun ang leading term. Diba? May connections. Alamin natin ano yung polynomial. Then, we need to identify the degree of each term of the polynomial. Then, we need to change the polynomial to standard form. Then, after changing the standard form, we need to find the leading term. Then, after finding the leading term, we need to find the leading coefficient. Okay, may connection yan lahat. The leading coefficient is the numerical coefficient of the leading term. Again, the numerical coefficient of the leading term. Yun siya. Now, example, the standard form, discuss natin kanina, the leading term is 3x cubed. Ano yung numerical coefficient? Siyempre, yung number, which is the number part, which is the 3. Therefore, the leading coefficient is 3. Okay. The second one, the leading term is 4x cubed. Then, the leading coefficient is 4. Then, the third one, the leading term is negative 8x squared y cubed. Then, the leading coefficient is negative 8. Okay. Ang polynomial ay makikanya-kanyang pangalan. Okay, tulad mo, tulad ko, tulad ng iba dyan, may mga pangalan. Kahit ang aso na alaga ninyo ay may pangalan. The same ang polynomial. Meron siyang pangalan, pero may conditions. Okay. There are types of polynomials according to the number of terms. Okay, ang tawag dyan, number of terms. Bibilangin natin yung terms ng algebraic expression or ng polynomials. Okay, example, meron tayo ditong kapag isa lang ang term, the number of terms is 1, then tawag sa polynomial is monomial. From the Greek word mono, it means 1. Okay? Next, the number of term is 2, then it is binomial. Okay? Bi, ibig sabihin, 2. Next, if the number of terms is 3, then it is what we call trinomial. It means tri, it means 3. Next, if it is 4 or more, okay? If it is 4 or more, kung ilalagay lahat natin ng pangalan, siguro kung kaya ninyo, hala kaya nyo, ako hindi. Okay? Dito tayo. 4 or more terms, number of terms in a polynomial, then pwede natin siya tawaging polynomial. Now, kapag ang polynomial is merong 2 or more terms, pwede natin siyang tawaging multinomial. Okay? Refer to a polynomial with 2 or more terms. That is multinomial. Pero kung isa lang, monomial. Pero dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, hanggang pwede natin tawaging multinomial. Pero pwede rin nating tawagin na kapag meron tayong dalawang terms, binomial. Kapag may tatlo, trinomials. 4 or more, polynomials. Okay, let's have here the examples. We have here the algebraic expression. 6xy. How many terms do we have? 1. Therefore, it is monomial. Next, negative 3x cubed plus x raised to the power of 5. How many terms do we have? 2. Therefore, it is binomial. Next, negative 3ab squared c cubed. How many terms do we have? Remember, ang terms, it is separated by the symbol plus and minus. Walang ibang makakapaghiwalay sa mga term ng polynomial kundi si plus at minus lang. Okay. Now, meron ba dito? Wala. Therefore, there are only one term and that is monomial. Next, 5xy squared minus 8x squared y cubed plus 7x. How many terms do we have? Now, the terms is separated by plus and minus sign. Separate, then separate. Then, how many terms do we have? 3. Then, it is trinomial. Next, then 4x plus 3x cubed plus x raised to 5 minus 3. How many terms do we have here? 4. Then, we call this one polynomial. Okay? Those are the types of polynomial according to the number of terms. Okay, we have here the types of polynomials according to its degree. Kanina is the according to the number of terms. Then this one is according to its degree. Okay, if the degree is 0, then it is called constant. If the degree of a polynomial is 1, then linear. If the degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is quadratic. If the degree of a polynomial is 3, then it is cubic. If the degree of a polynomial is 4, it is quartic. If the degree of polynomial is 5, then it is quintic. And if the degree of a polynomial is 6 or more, then it is a degree of blank according to the degree of polynomial. Okay, meron tayong example dyan. Example, the algebraic expression is 6. Then, what would be the degree? Alam natin, wala tayong variable. Then, it is 0. Then, the type of polynomial according to its degree is constant. Next, we have negative 3x cubed plus x raised to 5. Alamin natin yung degree of polynomial. Alin yung highest degree? The highest degree is 5. Okay? Therefore, it is quintic. Okay? Next, 3x plus 5. What is the highest degree? The highest degree is 1. Therefore, it is linear. Okay, yan siya. Next, 5y squared minus 2y plus 7. The degree of a polynomial is 2 kasi siya yung pinaka-highest degree. Then, it is quadratic. How about this one? 4x plus 3x raised to 6 plus x raised to 5 minus 3. The highest degree is 6. Then, it is a polynomial of degree 6. If the highest degree is 9, then we will call this one a polynomial of degree 9. Okay, it is depend on the highest degree of exponents or degree of polynomial. Okay, that is the different types of polynomials according to the number of terms and according to the number of its or according to its degree. Okay, now let's answer those activity. The first activity that I've shown. Okay, first one, we need to change this following into the standard form. Okay, the first given, the standard form is 4x cubed plus 3x minus 7. Then the number of terms is 3. Then the degree of polynomial is 3. Then the leading term is 4x cubed and the leading coefficient is 4. Diba? Madali lang. Connection yan lahat. Next, the standard form is 8x plus 1. The number of terms is 2. The degree is 1. The leading term is 8x and the leading coefficient is 8. Next, arrange the standard form. The number of terms is 4. The degree is 3. The leading term is 5x cubed and the leading coefficient is 5. How about classification of the polynomials? So, type of polynomials according to the degree and according to the number of terms. Alam na natin ano yung number of terms ng bawat given natin. Alam na rin natin yung degree of polynomial. Okay. Number 1. The degree is 3. Then it is cubic and the number of term is 3. Then it is trinomial. Next, the degree is 1. Then it is linear. Then the number of term is 2. Then it is binomial. Then the degree is 3. It is cubic. And the number of term is 4. It is polynomial. I hope that you've learned what is a polynomial. Kung tatanungin kayo, ano yung polynomial, ano yung mga conditions, paano gawing standard form, how to determine the number of terms, determine the degree, determine the leading coefficient, determine the leading the leading numerical coefficient, okay? Then the degree of polynomial, then naming the polynomial according to the degree and according to the number of terms. Okay, sana natulungan ko kayo. And thank you for watching Pamati Tutorial. Makinig, manood, at matuto. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Goodbye. Maraming salamat.